Welcome to Appspotr Academy. In this tutorial, we'll explore the Make a User a Member of Groups logic block, which allows you to efficiently assign users to groups, simplifying the management of roles and permissions within your app. Imagine you're managing a project management app where users can be part of different teams or projects. You might want to add a new user to several teams simultaneously. Using the Make a User a Member of Groups logic block, you can automate this process, ensuring that the new user has access to all relevant teams without manual intervention. Now, let's walk through the steps to add and configure the Make a User a Member of Groups logic block in your workflow. Drag the Make a User a Member of Groups logic block into your workflow to integrate it into your application's logic. Next, connect the logic block to an event from your view. This event, which is defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the process of adding the user to the specified groups. Click on the Make a User a Member of Groups logic block to open its configuration settings. Here's how to set it up. Choose the group or groups to which you want to assign the user. You can select one or multiple groups as needed. Input the user ID and the group IDs. The user ID identifies the user, while the group IDs specify the group or groups to which the user will be added. The output will include the user ID and group IDs, indicating the successful assignment of the user to the specified groups. Finally, set up toast messages to provide feedback to the user based on the result.